Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to update Aweber subscriber with tag for Go High Level appointment. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new appointment booking from a customer in Go High Level, automatically that same customer should be updated as a subscriber with a tag in Aweber. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up a connection between Go High Level and Aweber, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of automation software that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect works on two principles, trigger and action. So in trigger, we are going to take Go High Level, which is an amazing CRM, and then we are going to take action, Aweber, which is an amazing email marketing tool. And we are going to set up a connection between them without any coding or programming skills to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to update a Aweber subscriber with a tag whenever there will be a new booking on Go High Level. So I'm using Aweber as email marketing application and I have the subscribers in Aweber. Now my objective over here is this: whenever the Aweber subscriber will book an appointment for a particular event in Go High Level, then I want to update that same subscriber in Aweber with a particular tag. Okay, so for creating this entire automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, with the help of which I'm going to create this automation without any coding or programming skills. So here I will simply set up a connection between Go High Level and Aweber. Okay, now this is the home page of Pabbly Connect where we can reach by tapping this URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, because I'm already an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in over here. So this is the all app section of Pabbly where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. So here we have multiple products such as Pabbly subscription billing, okay, Pabbly email marketing, Pabbly form builder, Pabbly email verification, and so many. Okay, so I'm going to use Pabbly Connect to automate my task. Therefore, I'm going to click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So here we can find all of our workflows which we have created, and we can also create different folders over here to save our workflows accordingly. Now, to create a new workflow, we will click on this create workflow option which is given on right corner. Let's do that. And here a dialog box will appear in front of us. So it is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Update Aweber subscriber with tag for Go High Level appointment. After giving the name, here I'm going to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So I've already created a folder with a name as Go High Level and Aweber automations. I'm going to select this and done. So let's click on create. As we've done that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. So as I've already told you that Pabbly Connect works on these two principles. So basically these two are the main concepts or the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now, let's suppose here our objective is to connect Go High Level CRM with Aweber. So, what we are going to do, we will take Go High Level in our trigger and Aweber in our action. And we want that whenever an appointment will be booked in Go High Level, automatically the person who has booked the appointment should be updated as a subscriber in Aweber. Okay, so it is clearly seen over here that action is following what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the appointment is booked in Go High Level, then only the subscriber is updated with a tag in Aweber, otherwise no. So after understanding the concept of trigger and action, let's start creating the workflow step by step. First of all, we have to select our trigger application over here. So I'm going to take you towards Go High Level, and here my objective is that whenever a booking will be received for an appointment in Go High Level, the response should be instantly captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So for that, simply we have to take Go High Level as our trigger application. Now to connect Go High Level with Pabbly Connect, we have to use lead connector. Okay, so this is lead connector V2 with the help of which I'm going to connect Go High Level with Pabbly Connect. So let's select that. And now we have to select the trigger event. So our trigger event over here will be customer booked appointment. So whenever a customer is going to book an appointment, the response will be captured over here instantly. And with that response, automatically the workflow is going to trigger. But to make that happen, first of all, we have to set up a connection between lead connector V2, that means Go High Level, and Pabbly Connect. And that we are going to do with the help of this webhook URL which is provided to us. Along with this webhook URL, we have also received some instructions. We have to follow these instructions very carefully to build a connection. action. So first of all, let us copy this webhook URL because it is going to act as a bridge for sending the data from Go High Level towards Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I've already copied that. Now I'm going to take you towards my Go High Level account, and here after coming on Go High Level, we can find the option of automations from the left side. After coming on automations, here is the option of workflows. So here we have to click on this create workflow option to build a new workflow. So as we are creating the workflow in Pabbly Connect, similarly we have to create a workflow here also in Go High Level to send the response of appointment booking from Go High Level to Pabbly Connect. Okay, now among these options I'm going to select the start from scratch. So let's click on continue. And now we are going to build a workflow over here. So first of all, to create a workflow, we have to set a trigger. So let's click on this add new trigger button, and we have to select the trigger over here. So on the happening of what event we want this workflow to trigger. I want that whenever appointment will be booked by a customer, then this workflow should trigger. Here we can also change the name of our trigger, but I'm going to keep it same as customer booked appointment. And now let's click on this save trigger button. Now after selecting the trigger, we also have to select the action. So let's click on this plus sign over here, and we have to select the action that when the customer will book an appointment, what we want. We want to send the response through webhook. So let's select webhook over here. Okay, so here the action name is given webhook. Okay, if you want, you can also change it from here. Now the next is method. So the method will be post, and here we have to paste the URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. So let's do that. Done. After doing all these things, we have to click on save, and our action is saved. So this is our trigger and this is our action. So whenever an appointment will be booked by a customer, automatically the response of that appointment along with all the details will be sent to Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. Now let's click on save. So as we have clicked on save, now we have to publish this workflow which we have created. So let's turn this publish button on, and once again we are going to click on save. Okay, so the workflow is saved. So now let's go back towards the workflow section. And here is our workflow which is published. Okay, so this is the date. Now we will go back towards Pabbly Connect. It is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission. How we are going to do that? By making an appointment. Okay, so once again I'm going to take you back towards Go High Level, and this time I'm going to go towards the appointment booking page of Go High Level. So this is the appointment booking page of Go High Level. I've already created this for an event with the name as Pab Integration. Okay, so now I'm going to book a sample appointment over here. Let's say for 15th of April, and I'm going to set the time as 12 p.m. Okay, now we have to enter the details of the customer who is booking this appointment in order to make the test submission, and therefore I'm going to start entering the details. And because I'm doing a test submission over here, so I'm going to enter all the dummy details. Let's start with the name of the customer. So let's say the name of the customer is Test, and the last name is user, Test user. Here I'm going to give a random phone number. Here I'm going to enter a random email as well. And now I'm going to click on schedule meeting. So the meeting is scheduled for 30 minutes, okay, from 12 p.m. to 12:30 p.m. on Monday, April 15, 2024. So as we have done this appointment, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect, and here we can see that yes, we have received the response. Here in the response, we have received all the details. This is the name of the workflow, okay. This is the workflow ID, time zone, tags, phone number, location name, location ID, full name of the user who has submitted this response, first name, email address, date on which the appointment is created, okay, and all other details. This means that our connection between Go High Level and Pabbly Connect is perfectly successful. So whenever now an appointment will be booked in Go High Level, the response of that appointment will be automatically captured over here in Pabbly Connect. Now our objective is to update the subscriber in Aweber from this appointment. So we have already received this appointment, and I want to update the Aweber subscriber whenever an appointment will be booked in Go High Level. So for that we have to select our action application as Aweber. So let's do that. Now we have to select the action event. So our action event over here will be add or update subscriber. Let's click on connect. Now from the given options, I am going to select add new connection, and we will click on connect with Aweber to build a new connection with Aweber account. And I have clicked on allow access button because it is 100% safe, and we can find that the authorization has become successful and Aweber is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So let's move forward. So I'm going to first of all take you towards the subscriber section of Aweber. Okay, so this is the subscriber section, and these are all the subscribers I have in Aweber. So I want that whenever an appointment will be booked in Go High Level by these subscribers, I want to update them with a particular tag. Now we will move back towards Pabbly Connect, and here we have to select the account ID first of all. So it is already selected. Now we have to select the list ID. I only have one list in my Aweber account, so it is also selected as new customers. Now we have to enter all the other details. full name, email and all other details to update the subscriber. We want to update the subscriber who has booked the appointment in Go High Level, and we have already received the details of that subscriber in Go High Level response. So we will simply map the data over here. So mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here our previous step is given and here are all the details. We want to map the full name. So let's select the full name over here and it is mapped. When we have mapped this data, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, it is going to replace. So whenever a new appointment will be booked in Go High Level, automatically the name over here in this field is going to be replaced with a new name of the new customer. And in this way, we are going to update all the subscribers automatically without any manual efforts. In case if we will enter the data manually over here by typing or by copy and pasting, then the data will become static and then it is not going to replace with each and every new response. Then the workflow will get stuck and there will be no point of creating this automation then. Okay, so therefore to automate the entire process, we use mapping. So in the similar method, let's map the email address as well. Okay, done. Now it is asking us the question whether we want to update the existing contact or the subscriber or we want to create a new. So here I'm going to select yes because we are updating the existing subscribers. Now let's move forward. Here it is asking us what tag you want to assign to the subscriber if you are updating. So we want to update this subscriber as he has booked an appointment in Go High Level. So I'm going to give the tag as Go High Level appointment. If you want to assign more than one tags, then you have to follow the instructions given over here. You have to enter one tag, you have to use a comma, a space, and then you have to enter another tag. Okay. Now let's move forward. Here I'm going to map the phone number as well. So now let's click on save and send test request button. And we have received the response over here. So let's go and check. And yes, here we can find that the subscriber with the name as test user is automatically tagged over here with Go High Level appointment. This means that our connection is perfectly successful. So now what we are going to do, we will test this workflow once again. Here I'm going to create a new appointment, another new test appointment in Go High Level. And as soon as we will do that, automatically the subscriber. So let's say I'm going to create a new appointment for this demo user. Okay, so I'm going to create a new appointment for this demo user with the same email. I'm going to just copy this. And now I'm going to move back towards the appointment booking page of Go High Level. Okay, so let's say I'm going to create this appointment for 16th April, 11:30 a.m. And I'm going to give the details. First of all, I'm going to paste this email address and now I'm going to give the name, demo user. I'm going to give a random phone number and now I'm going to click on schedule meeting. So the meeting is once again scheduled. Here are the details of the meeting. Now I'm going to go back towards Aweber and we will check whether automatically the subscriber is tagged with Go High Level appointment or not. So first of all, I'm going to refresh this page and now I'm going to open this subscriber. And yes, we can find that this subscriber is also automatically tagged with Go High Level appointment. Okay, this means that our connection is perfectly successful. So let's move back towards Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done here in this workflow. So basically, we have built a connection between Go High Level and Aweber in such a way that now whenever a Aweber subscriber will book an appointment in Go High Level, automatically that subscriber will be updated with a specific tag in Aweber. In this way, you can very easily create this automation by following the same steps to assign a specific tags to your Aweber subscribers whenever a booking will be made in Go High Level. Alright, so this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.